So here's a question that no one else is answering here on YouTube, because all of the other videos on how to rank your videos on YouTube, they're all like, hack the YouTube algorithm and best YouTube SEO strategy. And they're all telling you the same thing. Stuff your title, your tags, and your descriptions with your keywords in order to rank. But frankly, I am calling BS on all of that because it's so easily proven wrong just by doing a simple search on YouTube. If stuffing your video with keywords in the title, tags, and description is supposed to help you rank higher, then why do the highest ranking videos not have those keywords in them? The answer is because keyword stuffing your videos doesn't actually help you rank. So in this video, I'm going to give you the full scoop, what keywords really are for, how you should use them, and what you need to do to actually rank your videos higher in the YouTube algorithm. So you ready? Let's do this. Hey Digital Trailblazers, it's Leah Ray from digitaltrailblazer.com. Now, it's pretty common knowledge that if you want to rank for a keyword, then you need to put that keyword in your title, in your tags, description, and everywhere else on your video. And at one time, yeah, this was true. The more you'd stuff your video with the keyword, the easier it was to rank your video for that specific keyword. But YouTube SEO has changed a lot over the years, and the YouTube algorithm is much smarter than most people realize. And years ago, YouTube stopped ranking videos based on keyword density. And now your actual rank in the YouTube search results has almost nothing to do with your keywords. So does that mean that keywords are meaningless? Well, not exactly. So what keywords do is to help you index those search terms, but they don't actually determine your rank. So what's the difference between indexing and ranking? All it does is to determine if your video will show up somewhere in the search results for a specific keyword. But while keywords can help you to get indexed for a search term, they don't actually help you to rank. Ranking for a keyword determines how high in the search results you show up. So you can be indexed for a keyword, but be at the bottom of page 100 in the search results. And it doesn't matter how much you stuff your video with that keyword, your rank isn't gonna budge because keywords don't actually determine how high you rank. This is a stone cold fact that almost no one else is telling you about. And this is because ranking in YouTube is determined by human factors. Things like people clicking on your video, how long people watch your video for, whether they watch another one of your videos after finishing the first one. In other words, how people engage with and react to your video will determine how high you rank. And it's not something that you can manipulate by stuffing your video with keywords. Now, the other thing that no one talks about is that putting keywords in your video doesn't even guarantee that you will even get indexed for that keyword. And this is something really important to understand because you can waste hours doing keyword research, keyword optimizing your title, your tag, your description, doing everything else. And then all of that time and work that you put in, it's simply wasted because not only are you not ranking for your video, but you don't even show up in the search results. And that's because, like I said, the YouTube algorithm is much more intelligent than most people realize, and your videos are getting analyzed in ways that would just blow your mind because there's an artificial intelligence that analyzes each and every frame of your video. It takes every image, everything you say, it transcribes it, and it interprets it, and then it cross-references that information with viewer behavioral data to ultimately determine what keywords you index for and how high you rank. So now you've got two options. You can take the blue pill and everything goes back to normal. You can go back to listening to the YouTube SEO gurus that keep promising that if you just stuff enough keywords in your videos, you can eventually go viral, and you can keep believing that story. Or you can take the red pill and see how deep the rabbit hole really goes, and I'll show you the YouTube AI in action. And you can see just how all of it works so that you can actually know what to do to rank your videos in YouTube. So just click the video in the upper right corner of your screen or at the top of the description. I'll see you there.